Hello, in front of me I've got Doogee V Max. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google function. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are also enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be mostly cloudy, with a high of 62 and a low of 46.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.